30 clips long as the runway. Tell the fuck boys what you say, cause the MGK. I'ma let you gang get bombs away. 30 clips long as the runway. Tell the fuck boys what you say. 30 clips long as the runway. Tell the fuck boys better watch what you say, cause it's MGK. I'ma let you gang get bombs away. Cause I got niggas that'll put a chopper on anybody, homeboy. That got you falling in love with it, just decoy. On my truth decoy till you block with glossy tape. 30 clips long as the runway. Tell the fuck boys better watch what you say, cause it's MGK. I'ma let you gang get bombs away. I got niggas that'll put a chopper on anybody, homeboy. That's not you falling in love with it, just decoy. On my truth decoy till you block with glossy tape. Niggas like you ain't real. Boy, stop petty bopping like you real. You a pussy boy since you was little. Now you big, you in the field. Bitch, nigga, better chill. My niggas poppin' niggas like pills. Leave niggas smelling like chicken meal. Got my bro up the dope, but I swear he gon' come and fucking do a drill. My nigga toe guns, no hope. So we put it on the first poster. Nigga, you just a statistic. 30 shots to the art, make a malicious nigga face drop. No step with curry, but it's started making nigga body pro pop. Pulling on your block with a street dude, then get your whole set mop. I swear one of my niggas ain't rapping, we try to fake niggas like you be at it. That's why I'm about to keep getting rocked. Start a reason you ain't never leave your block. Cause your daddy ain't pussy, he ain't teach how to shoot that Glock. My niggas run drills off throughout the clock. Throughout the clock. 30 clips long as the runway. Tell them fuck boys better watch what you say, cause it's MGK. I'ma let you gang get bombs away. Got niggas that'll put a chopper on anybody, homeboy. That's not you falling in love with it. Just decoy. I'ma shoot decoy till you block with glossy tape. 30 clips long as the runway. Tell them fuck boys better watch what you say, cause it's MGK. I'ma let you gang get bombs away. I got niggas that'll put a chopper on anybody, homeboy. That's not you falling in love with just decoy. I'ma shoot decoy till you block with glossy tape. 30 clips long as the runway. Tell them fuck boys better watch what you say, cause it's MGK. I'ma let you gang get bumped away. I got niggas that'll put a chopper on anybody, homeboy. That's not you for in love with that decoy. I'ma shoot decoy till block with glossy tape. Fuck what you say, just know it's real in the field. Don't get your little brother killed. Rotate, homeboy, got his body metal filled. You already lost one, do you wanna come again? I'm a demon child, man, I'm so full of sin. Got niggas with a gloss and they full of gin. All it takes is a few faces of Ben. Your time get shady like Slim. Chopper feeling so I nicknamed him Grim. Niggas ain't putting in work, fat motherfucker hit a jump. Extended clips make you murder a film. You ain't putting in no work, fat motherfucker hit a jump. Extended clips make you murder a film. 30 clips long as the runway. Tell the fuck boys better watch what you say, cause it's MGK. I'ma let you gang get bombs away. I got niggas that'll put a chopper on anybody, homeboy. That's not you falling in love with just decoy. I'ma shoot decoy till you block with glossy tape. 30 clips long as the runway. Tell the fuck boys better watch what you say, cause it's MGK. I'ma let you gang get bombs away. I got niggas that'll put a chopper on anybody, homeboy. That's not you falling in love with just decoy. I'ma shoot decoy till you block with glossy tape. 30 clips long as the runway. Tell the fuck boys better watch what you say, cause it's MGK. I'ma let you gang get bombs away. You niggas gotta put a chopper on anybody, homeboy. That's not you falling in love with just decoy. I'ma shoot decoy till you block with glossy tape. MGK. Let's have some beat, man. Let's tell him, man. Yeah, okay. Yeah, this bitch, man. MGK, nigga. Bombs away on any little fuck, nigga, man.
Hold up, wait a minute, let me backtrack. was always hanging with the rugrats. Someone come and show me where the drugs at. Someone come and pop on a hot song, and my shit, get an iPhone, take a video and make a laugh song, get some popcorn, cause I murder every single instrumental that I get on. And a motherfucker really gonna stop the shit until I'm making up, I'm like a Tupac to live. Till I'm feeling everybody looking until I'm revolutionary like a Gandhi is. Till I'm popping all these bottles to accomplish things. Till I'm always on matter what the comedy is. Whenever somebody gets feeling talkative, my name is one of doesn't matter what the topic is. Didn't think I rap, bitch, I flow like boom, boom, bap. Bitch, I come from where you never move that. Look into my room, get a view, look at my past. Got that, got weed, got jack, got cheese, had that, got Jimmy, got slash, got shroom, got hat. Got color syndrome, kick in, got hat. Walk on the red carpet like kiss my ass. Shit, ask anybody in the 216 if my name rings bells and them bricks. Everybody know who that is. What you hate, boy, you late, boy. You ain't heard about that great boy. 3-letter name called Cage, boy. Used to live right there up the way, boy. Then you heard about him, you said the name. You saw the iTunes, the place to play. You like the shit and you fuck the shit. Put him on a playlist right next to Jay. When your girl saw me, I signed a tip, but she did some bitch. You couldn't find a bitch. Your heart felt, you know what time it is. I put my dick in a common sense. Fuck boy, you lonely. Fuck boy, you phony. You would think these fuckboys fucking boys, but the way that they be y'all on me. If it ain't EST in your mouth, then whatever you rap is corny. Got a new single without me on it, that shit boring. Bitch, I'm snoring, man, I'm touring every damn day. I showed y'all how to turn up. 100 J's in my ashtray, bitch, I showed y'all how to burn up. Sacrifice, but y'all wouldn't give to these kids, and now you love fans. None of these rappers got a movement. Tell them put jock in my ass. And Joe can have the bloggers, I don't type shit. God gave me both these hands to fight with. What's up? Now it's like a night quick, cause my right fist like Vikings. Might just throw you on the ground like Dyson. Might just go into the pocket with your license. Get a wallet and a couple dollars by night shit. Bitches all over my dick, that's priceless. I just fuck them at the wet like Pisces. Wives is jealous of the bitch I'm with, cause they almost F like D-. Get it? Digest every little word I'm spitting, cause it's food for thought, so pay attention. Better listen, I'm on a mission to kill enough all of my competition, and I'm doing redacting. Good riddance, motherfucker.